This English vocabulary quiz consists of 25 questions, which will assess your competence in using the appropriate word in the given context. Are you ready? Let's get started. The medicine began to the pain within 20 minutes. The medicine began to ease the pain within 20 minutes. Her smile was just enough to his worries. Her smile was just enough to relieve his worries. The email seemed polite, but its tone was slightly. The email seemed polite, but its tone was slightly hostile. They had to. The meeting because the manager was late. They had to postpone the meeting because the manager was late. He wore a jacket to himself from the rain. He wore a jacket to shield himself from the rain. The article tried to why the decision surprised everyone. The article tried to explain why the decision surprised everyone. His answer was to satisfy the examiner. His answer was too brief to satisfy the examiner. The keys were hidden. The pile of old magazines. The keys were hidden beneath the pile of old magazines. The crowd started to when the music suddenly stopped. The crowd started to murmur when the music suddenly stopped. He tried to the package carefully without damaging it. He tried to unwrap the package carefully without damaging it. The artist used bright colors to the room beautifully. The artist used bright colors to brighten the room beautifully. The new schedule may your travel plans this week. The new schedule may affect your travel plans this week. They need to the faulty equipment before use. They need to inspect the faulty equipment before use. His remark sounded innocent, but it was actually His remark sounded innocent, but it was actually insulting. She felt when the audience watched her speaking alone. She felt nervous when the audience watched her speaking alone. The shoes were light, which made them easy to The shoes were light, which made them easy to carry. The old machine would often, during cold weather, The old machine would often malfunction during cold weather. That policy may how small businesses operate locally. That policy may influence how small businesses operate locally. They chose the invitation because of prior plans. They chose to decline the invitation because of prior plans. The detective needed more clues to the suspect. The detective needed more clues to identify the suspect. She tried the atmosphere by telling a joke. She tried to lighten the atmosphere by telling a joke. She gave him a look when he arrived late again. She gave him a sharp look when he arrived late again. The conversation became when they started discussing money. The conversation became tense when they started discussing money. She kept her jacket on because the room felt She kept her jacket on because the room felt chilly. She spoke in a tone which made everyone listen. She spoke in a calm tone, which made everyone listen. Don't forget to share your score in the comments section. If you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe for more useful content. See you in our next videos.